So it's been about a month since I bought this frame set, and I've finally chosen the group set and I've got most of the parts. So now I really need to start assembling it so I can see what I'm missing and so I can order it to finish it. Yay. You like it? No, we'd have a massive gap here. So I figured out what this was yesterday. It's actually not a split ring to hold in the bearings, it's the crown race for a fork. And the reason why I got very confused is because this fork has got an integrated crown race. Jesus Christ, that's loud. Right, okay. Here's my key with the phone then. I go with it, right? Oh! First try. I am actually shocked by that. Okay. Having this come out, that is very good. I like that. Even with the washer, it's way too tall. What? That's on the wrong way. Don't notice that. Well done. I get some carbon gripper paste, so now I can actually cut down the fork and get it all seated properly, so I'm no longer going to have like a shaky fork. Ooh, that's cool. Right, I just need to see if this fits onto here perfectly. Okay. Feels right. Every time I let go of the bars, it swings around, and I'm a bit nervous because there's no protection on it at the moment that it's going to damage the paint on the frame. So I'm just wrapping an old inner tube around. So this end obviously is wrong for this type of set, so I'm just going to be cutting that off later. So if you've never seen the installation of a hose kit into a caliper or even into the top, it's really simple. You just need a bar pushed in, which gives a nice flat edge to here. You put on your nut, and you also put on a little olive. And you just put it in here, and you just ratchet it down. So as you're tightening it down, it's crushing that olive into place. That's gonna make a seal. This is a tool I actually got years ago when I first put hydraulics onto my other bike. Super simple and easy. So you get the press and you get the little cutter up here. Yeah, so it's got a razor blade right here. So what we need is we need it at its right length, which I think is gonna be about to here. Just gonna take it, put it here. There we go. Ta-da. So before anyone rushes out and buys a hose kit with this on the end thinking that you'll just have all the adapters in the box, you won't. You'll have the adapters for one side, only one side. Luckily I ordered 2 of these, so I have for both sides. I don't know what I'm gonna do now. I could always put in the actual cables and then can go from there. You can always cut it a bit shorter, but you can't cut it always longer. So if that end was filled with oil, then this end probably is too. Now, if I'm right in this, they won't have put enough in here to actually clamp down. So I should be able to stick this all the way in, then tighten it. Very, very angry. Right, what is it? Tell me how angry I am. I can already feel myself regretting getting these narrow bars. Right, I'm gonna put an old disc onto this wheel so I can test that the brake's working and everything. But now when I pull this, it won't move at all. So we're gonna do the rear Mac. Okay. Put the thread underneath the brake. That is a lot easier to work with than my other bike, let me tell you. Ooh, this is my first time seeing this new chainring. Ooh, no scuff marks on it. That's different. Oh, that won't last. I'll give it to them. They've got a lot better at their packaging. Quite clever, this. So you tighten that, it screws into the axle so it brings it all close together. The reason why you don't tend to have like a massive toe attached to this and have it free spinning is so you don't over tighten it, because if you over tighten it, you're just pushing the crank arms against the bearing, and that's just going to give you, well, not a very good time. Don't ask me why this one came in a proper box and the other one came in an ordinary cardboard one. I ordered them both from the same place. I have no idea why. Okay, day 5. Right, so yesterday I got this lovely little bolt in the mail, and it is the bolt that I think is all that's now missing technically from this bike, so I think we'll be able to finish the build until I figure out something else is missing.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain. Pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane. Pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less, your check as I'm chess, what's happening next, yeah. He got the venom, a tangible weapon, no coming in second. This life is a lesson, he got a new engine from pain, it's a blessing. New focus, no guessing, just bold and obsession. All in his possession, you got their attention. I'll leave an impression and take a redemption. Just kill, no discretion, your mind is a weapon. 11-11, it's time for progression, You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me. So he's been looking for somebody who could save him, instead of searching inside for what they gave him. A strong will, strong mind causes mayhem. We could change the world, change times, rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place, I wanna be first. Work till it hurts, dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lifetimes. Take off from a break off from the weak minds. They can stay soft. You can change lives. You create thoughts. Never waste time. You got one shot. You got one life. Better pop off. What do you like? Make a dream job. No 9-5. No mean boss. Just my life and free thoughts. You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way. What I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. People like sheep move feet, hurt it easy. You don't wanna be fast asleep when they scheming. Better stand tall, ready for a fight, believe me. When they try the chains, you can say no, free me.
Shifting works fine. Hell yeah. This saddle is almost certainly going to be temporary because I know for a fact that this saddle does not suit me very well. Okay, this took a lot longer than I thought it would. Normally I build bike in like about a few hours, not 5 days, but with a lot of time constraints and realizing I was missing a few parts, extensions are bound to happen. Thanks very much to anybody who stuck around and watched the entire video. I do appreciate it. Make sure to hit that like button and maybe even subscribe if you want to. Not pressuring it in any way. I'm just trying to make the numbers grow. I'm one of those numberies sort of person, so I would appreciate it. But yeah, thanks everyone, and I'll catch you all in another episode. All right, bye. Oh, I've missed the bar ends.